Hi, I'm Meg, our senior site merchant here at Lovely Skin, and today I am trying and unboxing SkinMedica's newest HA5 Hydra Collagen Hydrating Foaming Cleanser. This is the newest addition to their HA5 Hydra Collagen collection, and I'm so excited to try it. I love their HA5 Hydra Collagen serum, so together, I think these are going to make the perfect pair. What sets this cleanser apart from other hydrating cleansers is it's clinically proven to maintain hydration without stripping the skin, and significantly boosts skin's hydration when paired with the HA5 Hydra Collagen Replenish and Restore Hydrator. It's designed to help maintain skin's barrier health and pH balance while cleansing, so your skin feels clean and refreshed instead of dry or dehydrated. There's a unique amino acid complex which gently removes makeup, and its gentle formula is suitable for literally any skin type. Let's give it a try. Wow, this is really hydrating. You can tell almost immediately upon application, which is unlike foaming cleansers. You know, nothing wrong with foaming cleansers, but you definitely immediately feel like a cleansing effect usually with them, but this one is incredibly hydrating. I cannot wait to add this to my regimen and hear what you think about it too. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product unboxings, tutorials, and education. Goodbye.